Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Facebook Live. If you happen to be watching this from YouTube or Rumble, welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'm going to be going over another Aweber tutorial in which, in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to share a campaign using Aweber. If this is your first time here and you're watching this from the Facebook Live, don't forget to follow me on Facebook by hitting that follow button on my profile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, some hearts, share this out to the world. If you happen to be watching this from YouTube or Rumble, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and Rumble so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So let's get this tutorial started. If you've been having trouble in figuring out how to share a campaign in Aweber, then this tutorial will absolutely be for you. So what you want to do right over here is you want to go log into your Aweber back office. So right now we're over at the dashboard where you can find how to share your campaigns. You do the following. You go under the messages tab here. Let me go ahead and zoom in on here so that you can actually see. So you go on messages, and then you click on campaigns. So take just a moment. And then let's zoom out right over here. Okay, so first things first, if you want to share a campaign out, you got to do the following, because when I did this for somebody that I shared one of my campaigns with, he wasn't able to actually get the campaign onto his autoresponder. So this is the very important step that you got to do first before you share out whatever campaign that you want to share out. So for the campaigns list, let's say you want to share this one out, Mark's primary list, San. So what you do over here is you go on sharing options, and you got to make sure that you click on make this campaign shareable. You got to make sure that you turn this on so that when you share out this code to whoever you want with, then they can actually import this campaign into their own autoresponder. It's a very important step that you got to do. Otherwise, the other person that you give the campaign out to is not going to be able to import this into their autoresponder. So let me go ahead and zoom back out. Let's just pretend I want to make this campaign shareable. So I'll click done. Make sure you do that. Then what you want to do is you want to go over to create a campaign. If you're receiving a campaign share code, then this is what you do to import it. You go over to messages, campaigns, then you go over to create a campaign, and you're left with a bunch of different options here. So what you do from here is you click import a campaign, and then import the share code, paste in the code right over here, and then you want to click import. And then once you've done that, boom, you have your campaign imported into your autoresponder. So I just want to shoot this quick tutorial Aweber video. I trust that you got a ton of value out of this Aweber tutorial video. And don't forget to check out the links down below in this video if you're watching from Rumble or YouTube for a few marketing resources that you may find very useful. If you happen to be watching this from the Facebook Live and you'd like to learn more about what is it that I'm exactly doing for marketing, either to the right of this video or down below in the comments, comment the words "I'm interested," and I'll be sure to privately inbox you on Messenger with all the details. So don't forget to check out the link down below in the video. Select the one that best suits you, opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation on it. Watch the video presentations all the way through, lock in your spot, get positioned as soon as possible so that you can get started in learning how to market and make money online. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial video. Have an amazing day wherever you may be, whatever time that you're watching this from. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.